Hi guys, my name is Daniel Oliveira and you are watching Sambaalemmar. In this video I will teach you a very simple version of Partido Alto, and I hope you'll learn it in less than 5 minutes. If you want more complete videos for Pandeiro or any other Samba instrument, please let me know, leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. To play this Partido Alto, we will use two different notes. The first one is the bass note. Use your thumb to hit the lowest part of Pandeiro. Just take care to not hold the head drum. The second one is a slap. Use your palm to hit the center of the instrument. In this case, you must hold the head drum. So let's start by dividing our pattern in two parts. In the first part we have 5 notes, 2 slaps and 3 bass notes. In the second part of our pattern we have 3 notes, 1 slap and 2 bass notes. Now let's play the first and the second part together. Our pattern is complete. If you make it in less than 5 minutes, don't forget to leave a comment and your thumbs up. And now it's time to rehearse a little bit more and a little bit faster. See you next week.